like my dancing. I like my dancing. I need to charge my phone. Ng basura na hindi nangangamoy. Bakit? Ano ba sabi niya? Hindi ka maintindihan. Walang basura na hindi nangangamoy. Anong ibig sabihin? Hindi ko yan ngayon ko lang narinig. Kasi ako pala, single mom talaga ako. What's the meaning of that? Kamusta? Ito, bilira na lang nagla-live. Kasi, kamad. Kamusta? Okay naman. Kahit medyo gipit, okay lang. Kung nga Abel always trying to catch your live, but you're always absent because my live is not fixed time. I just go live when I like busy like going around. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. What about I guess nalaki ako this morning. Really? Very late ka. You're late. That's okay. As you said, it's better late than never. Looking beautiful. Hello, Ferristan. Looking beautiful. Thank you. Sometimes I'm not looking beautiful because I'm not prepared. I just go to live even if I don't have to make myself prepared. You're looking very maganda. Mas malakas pa makagising kesa sa oh my goodness. Are you sure? Iikot yung ko hawakan ko na lang. Natulog na yung makasaman ko. Mama ko. Hindi ako natutulog sa bahay namin. Tingnan mo ang paligid ko. I'm here at the house of my brother because there's a birthday here. Happy birthday. Hawakan mo na lang. Kaya nga.